Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today we are in the last video in the series where we are exploring the famous love affairs between the famous personalities in the world of English literature. So today we are talking about the relationship between Ted Hughes and Sylvia Plath. Their relationship was the most tragic one. They first met in 1956 at a party in Cambridge, and in the same year, after a few months, they got married and were very happy with their relationship and marriage. Thus, in 1960, they gave birth to their first girl child, and next year, Sylvia got pregnant once again. But this time, she miscarried the child. It was later revealed in a letter that Plath wrote to her therapist that Hughes beated her badly, and actually that was the reason of her miscarriage. After that, in 1562, their son Nicholas was born, and from that time, the relation between them became more complicated. In that year, Asa Weevil and her third husband, Canadian poet David Weevil, were invited to spend a weekend with Plath and Hughes, and from there Hughes gets attracted towards Asa Weevil, and after a few months Plath and Hughes were in a holiday in Ireland, and from there Hughes disappeared to meet Asa Weevil, and they took a 10-day trip to the same place where Plath and Hughes went for their honeymoon. After that, when Hughes arrives home back, his relationship with Weevil was revealed, and he refused to break the relationship with Asa Weevil, so Hughes and Plath got separated. During and after their separation, Plath attempted suicide several times. And after the separation between 1962 to 1963, Plath used to live in a flat with her baby son and her toddler daughter as a single parent, and then one day when her two children were sleeping, she placed her head in the oven and turned on the gas to inhale the poisonous carbon monoxide, and thus silently to lead herself to death. Thus, the suicide of Sylvia Plath became one of the most tragic and strange deaths in the history of English literature. So that was the story between them. Hope you liked the video and you liked the series also. So it's a request that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button beside, so that you get a notice every time I post a new video. So that is it for today. See you all in my next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.